Hey beautiful people on the internet, welcome back again. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a responsive navigation menu with Next.js 15 and ShadCN UI. So how look like our navigation menu? And this is the desktop mode, and if I just change a mobile mode, then like this. So if I click now, so just wow, okay, and you can easily make it with the Next.js and ShadCN UI. Okay, so just you can easily make it, and you can change a direction anytime. Just here, simple add simple code direction like left, and now just click and then left to right. And if I change right, so what will be happen? And now if I check, so right to left. So this will be beautiful responsive menu for your project. So I hope you understand. Okay guys, so without waste time, let's get started. Okay, welcome back again, and now I'm gonna show you how to install Nextjs 15 and ShadCN UI. So it's really easy, and just open a new terminal. You can click here or just click here new terminal. Okay, and this is our official Nextjs documentation, and click installation and just copy this code. Okay, just here click and copy and just paste your terminal. And I want to install Nextjs in this directory. Okay, so just / and press enter. Okay, would you like to use TypeScript? Yes, I wanna use TypeScript. Yes, yes, and Tailwind CSS. So you must need to install Tailwind CSS. So press enter. Yes, src directory here, default no, but I wanna use src directory. Okay, so just press yes and enter. Okay, would you like to app router? Okay, yes, and turbo pack, yes, and employee list, no. Okay, Nextjs 15 installed successfully, and clean our terminal. Okay, just clean. And now how to install ShadCN UI. Okay, so ShadCN UI install is really easy. And okay, this is our ShadCN UI official documentation, and just click installation. And just I want to use with Nextjs, so just click Nextjs and here PNP and PME. So I would love to use npm. Okay, so just copy and again paste here, press enter. Okay, here you can use default or new work, no problem. Just I want to use new work, it's perfect for my project, no problem. And neural, gray, genic, stone, and right. So you can use any. Okay, I want to use just neural. So okay, and press enter and just use force, again press enter. Okay, ShadCN UI installed successfully. And now just I need one component and one ShadCN UI component. So drawer component we need for our project. So this is ShadCN UI drawer component, and just copy from here again and just paste and okay, just press enter. Okay, again use force. Okay, so drawer component successfully installed. Okay, this is our drawer components. Okay, super easy. And here just add a folder like hooks folder here, and here just add media.ts. And okay, this is our media query hook, and just copy from here and just paste here. So this code is absolute TypeScript supported. Okay, so just remove this code and just save. And okay, our hook is ready. Okay, now design our navigation menu. Okay, now I want to show you how to do that. Okay, keep watching this video until the end. Okay, it's very nice. And just click here and just design some CSS classes. That's it. And super responsive navigation menu. Done.